Hello, this is Suemae. I'm going to share with you 1 through 10 in Chinese. So this is an excellent way to practice calligraphy strokes, okay? So 1 is basically horizontal bone stroke. Establish a happy dot and then glide, return, lift off. So that's 1. E, and then is shorter on top and then longer at the bottom. So these strokes are excellent for you to practice to have proficiency and confidence. And then 3 is san. So it's shorter on top, middle a little bit longer, and then the third line much longer. So 1 2 3, okay? So see how the placement, it's important you follow that if you can. And then 4 1 2 3 4. So this is vertical bone stroke, and then you come down, get a little bit thicker, and then kick it up just slightly. And then here you need to bend, okay? And then close the box. So make sure you follow this. It's not all the way across, okay? So it's within inside the box. And then these you bend. So that's 4. In Chinese is 1 2 3 4. Okay? And here's 5. Vertical bone stroke, glide, and then come down. That's 5. In Chinese is wu. And then Leo is happy dot. And then glide to the right. Okay, there. Needs to be sweeping to the left, sweeping to the right. And here's your center, okay? And then Qi is 7. Horizontal bone stroke. And then you come down. And then return. As you're returning, I lift off to get this nice roundedness. Okay? There we go. And then Ba is 8. Sweeping to the left, sweeping to the right. There we go. So now we'll go to 9. So this is 9, and then 10. Center. It's almost like making a cross. Okay, and then to some stuff you need to watch out for is like 8 should have this left and then right. You should not have an extension up here. So if you have an extension up here, that means entry. So placement, the stroke order is very important that you follow. Okay, so this is 1 to 10, and more calligraphy phrases will be on the website. So check out my website, suemaeart.com, for Chinese calligraphy online classes. Thank you for watching.